which is robot arm, as our most advanced technology. Advanced technology is defined as a new developing IT innovation that still has relatively few users. Firstly, robotic arm is a machine programmed to perform specific tasks fast, efficiently, and precisely. Most robotic arms are motor-driven and are used for heavy tasks that humans can't do it. They have primarily used in the industrial, assembly, machining, and industrial sector. Other than that, the most common of all robots in the manufacturing industry is the robotic arm. A robotic arm is made up of 7 segments that are joined by 6 joints. A computer controls the robotic arm by rotating step motors in each joint. Lastly, these precise increments enable the computer to move the arm precisely and repeat the exact movement many times over. The robotic arm uses sensors to ensure it moves right, stop if it senses any obstacle, and use just the right amount of strength. That's all from me. Next, I will give to the next presenter to explain more about this.
Industrial robots are too expensive and hard to use. However, they could save you time at home, help you do creative work, or learn new technologies. So, why keep these benefits away from you? Meet Nerio One, the first accessible 6-axis robotic arm. Nerio One is a low-cost and user-friendly robot made out of 3D printing and open-source technologies. It was created so everyone can use it. For makers, Nerio One can help you learn robotics and be your perfect coworker. It can easily pick and place many kinds of objects. For example, to automate a 3D printer. Do anything your imagination can create just by easily changing the end effector tool. With Nerio One, reproduce industrial use cases such as drilling or drawing on any surface with any orientation. Nerio One is great for robotics education, for students to learn, but also for children. They can get to know more about new technologies and get some programming basics. So much fun involved. Nerio One will also save you some time in daily life so you can relax and do the things that matter the most. Controlling Nerio One is so easy. You can teach the robot what you want it to do just by moving it with your hands. Want to use a gamepad? Here you go. You can use the mobile and web applications to have more control over the robot and control it from a remote place. Nerio One will be connected to the internet. Oh, and it means you can also get free software upgrades, and you can share programs with your family, friends, and other people around the world. We specially thought about makers and developers by making most of our code open source. STL files for 3D printing will also be released. You will be able to program directly on the robot, with many APIs and the source code. It's a great way to learn robotics and do useful stuff with Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and Robot Operating System.
We are passionate robot makers who want to spread the word with easy-to-use, low-cost, and useful robots.
Time has come for robotics to get out of factories and help people having a better life and a better technology education.
Please back us on Kickstarter to help bringing accessible robots to everyone.
And thank you for your support.
Robotic arm is the most advanced technology. Robotic arm technology is nothing new, but it is recently been making headlines in the news. The advancement in this technology have increased in the past decade with new uses that many consider a threat to the job market. Robotic arm technology is no use to replace human workers in many sectors of the workforce, but this is not only use. Next, we turn to the 3 points of the robot's arm. First, the robot has 6 axes. Second, the function. And the last one is the robot fast and efficient. The first one is the robot has 6 axes. A 6-axis robot, or as the name suggests, has 6 axes. Each axis is a joint that allows the robot to move in a different way, like the robot can be rotated and others. These different movements are referred to as degrees freedom. On the other hand, 6-axis robots are a form of articulated robots that can perform an extensive range of applications than to their flexibility, reach, and strength. The second is the function. Robotic arm can be used to automate the process of placing goods or product onto pallets. It can also help humans in the industrial world, such as in automotive industry like BMW, Mercedes, and so on. And the last point is the robot to fast and efficient. Speed and efficiency are the main competitive advantage that robots brings to an industrial operation. Robots are fast and are highly efficient in carrying out their tasks. They are accurate and precise. They can perform multiple tasks and can help organizations improve their financial status and market position. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Nonita Syairah binti Razali. Today I will talk about 3 benefits of using this technology. The first one is it can improve the safety. It is because robotic arms can help to keep workers more safe by operating in environments that are hazardous and executing tasks that present high risk of injury to humans. The second one is consistent in product quality. The robot arms need to be instructed on how to perform the task. This ensures that they complete tasks that are inconsistent with the instructions that have been set. Finally, the last one is high production speed, which is a robot arm can put in more work fast while maintaining high quality products. Every production will be released quickly and able to reach a company target.
3 weaknesses this technology can bring. Number 1, robot lack originality and creativity. Robots are incapable of creativity or innovation. Robots can only carry out tasks specified by their programming. Robots are unable to discern when and what a consumer wants, let alone when their preferences are changing. As a result, manufacturing organizations must constantly monitor the market and adjust as necessary. Companies can evolve and adapt quickly with the help of robots, but robots can do the work for you. Number 2, fear of losing a job. It appears that robots are replacing humans in jobs that are currently done by workers. Once they have stronger skills, they can eventually replace human workers in the factory because through their mechanical powers and cost effectiveness. Robots that work together to reduce this fear. Robots are tools that help the human worker in the production, not something that takes their place. Number 3, they need constant monitoring. Robots must be constantly watched to make sure they don't develop any mechanical issue that might cause them to stop. The business may suffer loss as a result of this. Technology improvement have made it quite simple to monitor robots. Even remotely, it can be complete. The operator can receive text messages from the robot that provide feedback on their operation. If there is a problem with the robot's operation, it can be also fixed remotely. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Uishin who would like to share about 3 points on how technology can be adopted or used in an organization, business, or an industry. First is about transparency with customer. Technology has an impact on a company's abilities to engage with customers in the first place. Employees must communicate with the clients effectively and promptly in the hectic business environment of today. Customers can access websites after business hours to find answers to their questions. Fast shipping alternatives enable companies to distribute their goods over a wide region. Businesses profit when customers utilize technology to communicate with them because improved communication boosts brand recognition. Second is about the efficiency of activities. Technology also aids in the understanding of a company's cash flow requirements and the preservation of priceless resources like time and physical space. Technologies for warehouse inventory help business owners determine the most effective ways to control the cost of holding a product in storage. Executives can save time and money by holding meetings online rather than at business headquarters if the right technology is in place. Thirdly is about security. The majority of businesses in the present era are vulnerable to vandalism and security issues. Technology can be used to safeguard private executive decisions, financial data, and other proprietary information that gives a company a competitive edge. Simply, technology aids firms in protecting their ideas from virus. A company can ensure that none of its upcoming projects will be replicated by the competition by equipping its computer with password protection. Thank you.